So right now I have shown you how you can set up your slicer using method 1, which is collecting the information of the printer. And you set up the profile one by one. So let me show you how you can do it with method 2. Let's move on to Cura and let me show you how. Okay, so for method 2, it's pretty simple compared to method 1. Okay, method 2, what are you going to do is, okay, this is for those who are using the printer that you can find on the market. For example, over here you can see we have the Ender 3 printer. Okay, if you are using a Ender 3 printer or a printer from Creality, okay, no matter what model that you are using, okay, from Creality or from ANET, okay, from ANET or from GTech or from Ultimaker, okay, which is those printer that you can find in the market, okay, you can use this method, okay. So for this printer, okay, so let's say after this video, okay, you are going to see I'm using a GTech A10M 3D printer, okay. So over here, I'm going to set up this slicer according to that printer profile. So first of all, let me go to setting and go to my printer and click on add printer, okay. After that, over here, because that printer is a non-network printer, I'm going to click on this, okay, and I'm going to search according to the brand. So over here, as what I stated just now, I'm using a GTech A10M printer. So I should find GTech. So let me scroll down. It's a bit slow. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, so over here we have GTech. Okay, click on it and then click on the model that you are using. So I'm using A10M, which is this one. Okay, so for the printer name, I will just leave it as default. Okay, and then I click on add and voila, that's all. You just click on the printer model, okay, and click on add and you will get your printer profile set. Okay, so let me show you how does this printer profile look like. So I go to manage printer, okay, and then I go for machine setting and you can see, okay, this is the machine settings, okay, or the printer profile for GTech A10M printer. So the print size of this printer is 220 by 220 by 260 for the height. Okay, and the build plate shape is actually rectangular. Okay, and one more thing I want to add here is this printer is a heated bed. So every time when I print, I want to make sure the bed is heated up. So over here, I will put on tick. Okay, and over here, you can see this printer actually has more than one extruder. So the number of extruder is set to 2. Okay. And then the nozzle size is 0.4 and the compatible material size is 1.75. Correct. Okay. Same thing for the extruder too. Okay. So if your printer have more than one extruder, you need to set the nozzle setting accordingly for each extruder. Okay, so this is basically all about this machine setting for this printer. Okay, and let me close it, and that's basically all for method 2. See you guys in the next video. Bye.